Wow, look at the eggs. Mmm, yummy. Hi everyone, I'm gonna make very easy, delicious and nutritional breakfast. Pancakes, eggs and sausages. Very easy. I have my mixture right here. So this is a complete mixture. So what you do, you mix. Not too thin. You want a very consistent mixture. And of course, yes, a spoon does a good job. Okay, I'm going to put my butter in the skillet. Just a small amount. So you mix it thoroughly for a smooth pancake. Yes, I love pancakes. You love pancakes too? Oh, the kids love pancakes. In the mornings, they would all come downstairs. Grandmother, what are you making today? I said pancakes, eggs, and of course, I have sausages, but these are hot sausages. Okay, so these are going to be like mini pancakes, like the silver dollar pancakes. Not too big. One here, and the other right there. While that is cooking, here are my fresh eggs. You don't want the roll off, so that's why I put this towel here to keep them together. You're gonna chop your eggs. Try not to get any shells or anything. They said a brisk chop excludes the shells. Well, if you prefer just the egg whites, you can eliminate the yolk. What you do, I use a fork. A fork can do as much as anything else. Utensils. You beat your eggs thoroughly. Okay. Let that rest for a moment. Check on my cakes. Now, sometimes the skillets can be very hot, so use a towel. Well, these are bigger than flapjacks, but anyhow, it's coming along. While this is resting a little, when that's resting, it does no work. Why are you resting? Oh, well. Here now I have my hot sausages. So the kids might not like the hot sausages, but however, they have also the mild sausages that you can also purchase. And this is fresh from the market. Fluffy and very nice. This is the way I love my pancakes. And of course, yes, nice apples. And I'm going to make the favorite teas. I have also avocado, if you like avocado. That's very practical for breakfast, very nutritious. So now let me check on my cakes. Okay, it's ready. Ooh, flop. Ooh, flop. Very nice. Okay, now I'm gonna put a little more, like a pinch of butter in the pan here. See that? They are bigger than the silver dollars, which I told you about, but however, they are nice sizes also. And also the hot sausages are coming along as soon as the eggs are completed. Now for the eggs, I'm gonna see if it's ready. Okay. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, it's now ready. Then your sausages. I'm just gonna use 2 sausages. Cover, let it steam a little while. So here now you have your lovely pancakes, steamingly hot. And you also have your eggs. Very, very quick breakfast. I just have one more item coming up. Wow, look at the steam coming from the eggs. Oh, you can smell it. Very, very nice. Browned in very nicely. And these sausage, they are also pre-cooked, so they are not going to take a long time. Here I have different kinds of teas. I like mint tea also. I have nice fresh mint. This is from the market also. So all in all, you do is just pop one of your tea bag in your cup right here. Use a toy spoon. Here you have your nice delicious apples. The kids love the apples. You can also fry the apples. And I'm not going to fry the apples at this point, but just to let you know, you can fry the apples. What you do, you just wash the apples, dice, and just fry it. Okay, let me check on the sausages. Wow, the aroma. These are hot sausages also. Hot sausages. And remember, I told you that they were pre-cooked. Also remember, I told you about the mint. When I was a girl, what you do sometimes, you just pick the mint, suck it in there. Okay, you have a lovely cup of mint tea. Oh yes, the mint. Nothing beat mint tea. It's good also for stomachache, my grandmother said. Wow. They are pre-cooked, so they are now ready. Wow. Tenderly browned. You have your pancakes, eggs, omelette form, and your lovely hot sausages, and your tea, nice cup of tea, and your syrup. So that was a easy one. Whenever you want a quick, delicious breakfast, it's very easy to fix. You can just, this is your go-to breakfast. Hot mint tea. Oh, look at the color. Mint. Tea bag. Mix it together. Now I'm tasting my cakes. Wow. Honey syrup. Wow. Yummy. Very easy. Very nutritious. Wow, look at the eggs. Wonderful. Delicious. Okay guys, I just want to thank you for staying with me and for subscribing, and you will see my next video very, very shortly.